In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Combo Backtest 123 Reversal and Smoothed RSI in TradingView Pro quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have both of these indicators set up on your chart and ready to use, even if you're fairly new to TradingView. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. This can be any market or time frame you like. We just need a chart up on the screen so we can add indicators to it. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might say Indicators, or it might show as Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This opens the main indicator window where you can search for anything available on TradingView. In the window that pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where we'll find the tools we need. Click into that search bar so you can start typing. The search bar is really powerful, so you don't have to scroll through long lists or categories. Just type exactly what you're looking for. Now, in the search bar, type Combo Backtest 123 Reversal and Smoothed RSI. As you type, TradingView will start showing matching results below. Make sure you select the correct versions of these indicators from the list that appears. Click on Combo Backtest 123 Reversal to add it to your chart, and then click on Smoothed RSI to add that as well. You should now see them appear either overlaid on your price chart or in separate panes below, depending on how each indicator is designed. Once both indicators are added, we're going to customize them. On your chart, move your mouse over the name of each indicator. You'll see a small gear icon appear next to the indicator's name. Click that gear icon to open the settings for the indicator. Inside the settings window, you can adjust inputs like periods, smoothing, colors, and how the signals are displayed. Take a moment to explore these options and tweak them to match your trading style and the way you like your charts to look. When you're happy with the settings, click OK or close the window, and the changes will be applied immediately. Finally, if you haven't upgraded to TradingView Pro yet, use the link in my video description to sign up. That will unlock more indicator slots, better tools, and an overall smoother experience when you're using setups like this. Combo, Backtest, 123 Reversal and Smoothed RSI combination.